First time somebody. So, how much you want it actually heavy? Because the weight of the helmet actually helps absorb a lot of the impact. The heavier it is, the more kinetic energy it takes to actually shift it. So, a good heavy weight to it does absorb a lot of the impact. Yeah.
It's Princess Toadstool. Hello.
How's it going today?
Good, how are you?
Doing pretty good. Anything you're looking for?
Just browsing right now. It's amazing here. Coaches are cool. You see?
If I don't choke before I get
That's a nice punch too.
I love your basket. You two are adorable. Thank you. Thank you. What looks like the put on me. Actually, how are you gonna work these out? It's probably the ingredients that build it.
Hi. No, that's okay. I got a phone. Oops, sorry.
Oh, está parejando.
You see these people here falling trees? Because we can come back to all this whenever. They should have spread that out a bit. You can sit them in there. Sure.
Learning, but he's come a long way in a short time.
See better than this guy's 6'10". It's huge. It's got the height advantage.
All right, let's get some cheers going for these two fighters today. Our point scanners here are looking for solid strikes with the edge of the sword against the opponent's armor. It has to be some solid contact. If it's glanced away by the sword but still touches, we're not counting those. We're looking for good, strong hits. Ooh. Got a minor armor malfunction here. Nice combo from Renee. Now something else the fighters can do, they can use one hand to extend their reach and swing the sword, but even if they land a headshot, they got one hand on the sword, it's only 1 point, not 2. That's the end of that fight. We're going to tally up the points and we'll announce the winner shortly. These fighters are biding their time, waiting for the moment to strike. Every swing with this armor on takes considerable energy. They've got to manage their stamina. Good body shot there from Matt. You can see Matt giving it to Matt there. Let's get some cheers for Matt. Come on. We're going to tally up the points and we'll announce the winner in just a moment. All right, remember, this is first to 5 points. Oh, Renee fumbling with the sword, gets it back in the grip though. They're tied up. Warren's got Renee's sword. Oh! We're going to be doing best 2 out of 3 for these. Hits to the hands and hits to those bucklers do not count. Warren landed some big blows. They both hit each other at the same time for that 5th point. Right here. My name is Justin. Thank you. Ooh. These guys came here to fight, and we're putting them against each other for your entertainment. Warren's got a fan base growing over here. Oh, I see the crowd's divided here. We got some Renee chanters on the other end. Oh, big trade of blows there. I lost count. We'll see what our counters have to say. Let's give it up for Warren! Let's keep some cheers going for Renee too.
I'm going to show you how it's done. July! Whoa! I'm going to take them. I know what I'm doing. So we're just getting through a couple of my wolves, get the horses used to it. This is October, and October's wedding. Princess Anne still, I should know him by now. To be honest, I don't like to pay much attention to the horses in case, you know. To go. Okay, the challenger, October, is taking on the captain and a full tilt toast. Who's the challenger? Come on. Are we missing something? What we're missing, ladies and gentlemen, is called, you know my technical terms, an approach. An approach. Shield on the shoulder. You'll see the captain is wearing one. Tapping away. That is the target zone that you aim for during the joust. We're just trying to find. There is no approach, oh my God! We're going to a man! Oh, come on, for a help the player to try and take out.